Hello everyone, this is lesson number 17, HSK2, and we have a chapter number 9. So let's start. First, word for today is 上班, to go to work, to start work. 上班. So ban is like shift, and 上 is like to start a shift, you can say. My dad starts works at 8 every day. 我爸爸每天8点上班。我爸爸 my father 每天 every day 8点 8 o'clock 8点上班 start working. So it's I think it's in the morning, right? 我爸爸每天8点上班 sometimes could be 早上 for just it's really in the morning, but usually they work in the morning. She works in a big company. 她在一家大公司上班。Or you can say here you can say 工作 is also possible, but here is better to say 上班。他在一家 measure word for company 一家大公司 for big company 上班 works。他在一家大公司上班。When it rains, I still have to go to work. 下雨的时候，下雨 raining 的时候 at the time when it's raining 下雨的时候，我也要also need 也要去上班 go to work 去上班。下雨的时候，我也要去上班。Next one 唱歌，唱 to sing 歌 songs. So, but usually it's used to sing. Or sometimes could be singing. Also have a sing song, sing. Let's say she likes singing at home. 她喜欢在家唱歌。At home singing，在家唱歌。她喜欢在家唱歌。Let's sing together. 我们一起唱歌吧。我们一起 together 唱歌 sing and but for suggestion. Let's 我们一起唱歌吧。He sings very well. 他唱歌唱得很好。他唱歌 sings and we just use verb 唱 from here and 很好 is very good, but 的很好 is very well. So change to the adverb. 唱得很好 so it's very common pattern to hear. 他唱歌唱得很好。他游泳游得很好。So it's commonly seen. Next one, 对。对 here is yes, right, correct. 对 so has a lot of variation, but it's also not also has other translation. Let's see. But now just okay. What you said is right. 你说的对，你说的对。So you speak the how 对 correct. So you speak correct. You speak is right. 你说的对，你说的对。Sorry, it's my fault. 对不起，对不起，sorry，是我的错，是我的错，my error，错 mistake。But this one 对 is part of another word, so it's not 对对不起，sorry，是我的错 is my error，我的错 all mistake。This answer is not correct，这个答案不对。So this 答 to reply 答案 is answer or reply is also some solution result answering。答案不对 is not correct。这个答案不对。Next one 错 wrong or mistaken。You wrote this character wrong。这个字你写错了。这个字 this character 你写 you write 错了 wrong。这个字汉字 character 你写 write 错 mistake 你写错了 you wrote it wrong 写错了。 Sorry, I saw it wrong. 对不起，是我看错了。看 to see 错 mistake， so 看错 see wrongly。对不起，是我看错了，看错了。我听错了，hear it mistakenly. I did this question wrong. 这道题我做错了。So this 道 measure word for 题 question or exercise. You can say 这个题 or 这道题我做错了。I made wrong. 我做错了，我做错了。Next one, 跳舞 to dance. 跳舞 She dances very beautifully. 她跳舞跳得很漂亮。So this 跳舞跳 is to jump, 舞 is like dance, but 跳舞 and how she dance 跳得很漂亮。So the same we saw before. 她唱歌唱得很好。她跳舞跳得很漂亮，very beautifully，就是 adverb because of this the 跳得很漂亮。Can you dance？你会跳舞吗？你会 can 跳舞 dance？你会跳舞吗？So can you dance？会 can know to do something。Let's go dancing in the evening。我们晚上去跳舞吧。我们晚上 in the evening 去 go 跳舞 dance and bar for suggestion. Let's do something. 我们晚上去跳舞吧。Next one, the first or firstly. The so this e is one, but d is changed from one to first. For example, the wu from 5 to 5th. So this d is very important here. This is the first. He is the first in our class. 他是我们班的第一名。So this 名 is from name 名字 but when we talk about championship, this could be placed wrong. So he's first round. Or you can say his name is first. 第一名，第一名，他是我们班的第一名。Let's see, change of tone. 第 so change E is not changed. 他是我们班的第一名。So this 班 is like class here. But before we show 上班 is also the same 班. So 班 has a lot of translation. Please do the first question first. 请先做第一题。先 first 做 to do to make 第一题 the first question. So please do the first question first. So the 先 is means first as an adverb prior in advance, like firstly, you can say beginning. 请先做第一题。第一题 This is the first time we meet. Please take care of me. 第一次见面，请多关照。Well, this 关照 is to look after, but I think it's first time meeting. Please take care of me. 为什么 me? I would appreciate your help. You may give me convenience in the future. 多多关照。It's really about me. Interesting. 多关照。Look after, keep an eye on. Nice to meet you. Please take good care. Wow. Interesting. 第一次见面，这次 like time, so the first time. 第一次见面，请多关照，多关照。But this is interesting example. Next one, 问题 question or problem. 问题 Do you have any other question? 你还有什么问题吗？ 还有 still have 什么 what 问题吗？and 还有什么？it's like any other 有什么 anything 还有什么？What else? Any other? Is there anything else? 你还有什么问题吗？问题 for question. This question is not very difficult. 这个问题不太难。这个问题 question 不太难 not too difficult, not very difficult. 这个问题不太难。If you have questions, you can ask the teacher. 如果 so if 如果有问题 have questions 有问题可以问老师 you can ask teacher 可以问老师如果有问题可以问老师 Next one 从 from or since 从 Every day I walk from home to school. 我每天从家走路到学校。So this 从 from and usually works together with down. So from something to something. From 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. 我每天从家 from home every day from home 走路 walking 走路到 up to or to 学校 school. So 我每天从家走路到学校。Next one, she comes from China. 她从中国来。她从 from 中国来 from China come. 她从中国来，就是从 from somewhere. From now on, let's speak Chinese. 从现在开始，从现在 now 开始 to start. So from now on, 从现在开始说汉语吧，说 speak 汉语 Chinese and 吧 for let's speak Chinese. 从现在开始说汉语吧。Next one, 希望 to hope or hope. 希望 I hope you are happy every day. 我希望你每天快乐。我希望 I hope I expect, but yours wish, want, expect. I think expect is also hopeful, promise, prospect. Hope. 我希望你每天 you every day 快乐 happy. He hopes to go to China next year. 他希望明年，明年 next year. So 不是下一年 but we use 明年 for 明天 tomorrow 明年 next year 去中国 go to China 他希望明年去中国 I hope the exam is not too difficult 我希望 I hope 考试不太难考试 exam 不太难 not too difficult 不太难我希望考试不太难。Next one, 欢迎 to welcome. To we know 欢 from 喜欢 and 迎 like to welcome someone. 欢迎 greet, applaud. Welcome to my home. 欢迎你来我家。你来 so you come 我家 my home. So welcome to my home. 欢迎你来我家。The teacher welcomes us to ask questions. 老师欢迎我们 so welcome us 欢迎我们问问题 ask questions. So this one when for ask and when other for 提问题 for questions. 老师欢迎我们问问题 You are welcome. You are welcome to come again. 欢迎再来 so 再 again 来 to come. 欢迎再来 welcome to. So sometimes you can go out to shop and 欢迎再来欢迎。Next one 懂 to understand to know 懂 so the same as 明白 哦，你明白了吗？哦，我不懂，我不明白。Do you understand this sentence? 这句话你懂吗？句 for measure words for sentences. Um, but 句话 is more like phrase. Sentence word 句话句子句话。Next one, 懂 to understand to know. Do you understand this sentence? So this 句话 is a bit. So 句 is for 句子话 is like speech. So but usually used together. 这句话你懂吗？ So do you understand? 你懂吗？ I can understand what he says. 我听不懂他说什么。So this 听 is to listen. 不懂 not understand. 听不懂 so listen but not understand. But not understand by listening. So sometimes it could be 看不懂. So, for example, you look at some characters and you cannot understand. 看不懂 or 听不懂。我听不懂他说什么。他说什么是 what said. She says what she says. 我听不懂他说什么。If you speak a bit slower, then I will understand. 慢一点儿说，我就懂了。慢一点儿 a bit, so 慢 slow 一点儿 a bit, so slower a bit. 慢一点儿说，我就懂了。And in that case, I will understand. Then I will understand. So this 就 here show like in that case, or I just can understand if he says slower. 慢一点儿说，我就懂了。Next one, one to complete to finish. One, I still haven't finished my homework. 我还没有做完作业。我还没有 still not or not yet. 还 still 没有 no, so not. 还没有做 to do, but 做完 is to finish. So sometimes one is could be used after verb to show it's finished. Because for example, 吃饭 to eat food, but 吃完饭 to finish food. 做完作业 this one 作业 is different from this 做 so be careful. 作业 homework. 我还没有做完作业。After finishing this movie, we will go home. 看完 so 看 to see to look, but want to finish so finishing watching. 看完这个电影 this movie, 我们就回家。So we will go home. 我们就回家。看完这个电影，我们就回家。回家。After finishing eating, let's go for a walk. 散步 to take a walk. 饭吃完了。So 吃完饭了 also can say oh 饭 is like food. 吃完 finish. 饭吃完了 also can possible after finishing. 吃完饭 also as you can see could be used. 饭吃完了，我们去散步吧。我们去 we go 散步 take a walk. So let's go take a walk. And but for let's. 饭吃完了，我们去散步吧。散步。So 步 is like step, 散 is scattered walking. 散步。And last one, T, exercise, question, or problem. So it could be a lot of different things. This question is very easy. 这道题很容易。So now here is measure word for question. 这道题很容易 easy 容易这道题很容易 is very easy is very 容易 The teacher gave us 10 questions today. 老师今天给了我们10道题。老师 teacher 今天 today 给了我们 gave us 给了我们10道题 10 question or 10个题 or 10道题。老师今天给了我们10道题。 I have already finished these questions. 我已经 already 已经做完 so 做 to do but want to finish so finish 做完这些题了。这些so this for many NT questions. So you can say 这个题 is one question or 这道题 is one question, but 这些 for many 这些题 and love for 做完了 finished. 我已经做完了这些题了。So the slur could be after one or after T is also key. Let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 上班 to go to work. 上班。唱歌 to sing. 唱歌 or singing. 对 yes, right, correct. 对对。错 wrong, mistaken. 不对 or 没错。不错 is not wrong, but it's good. So 不错 is like really good. But for now it's okay. 跳舞 to dance or dancing 跳舞。第一 firstly 第二第五第三。问题 question 问题。从 from since something 从什么什么到什么什么。So this usually is 到。希望 hope or to hope for something. 欢迎 to welcome 欢迎。懂 to understand to know 我不懂。完 to complete to finish 完。题 exercise question problem 题。So in the next lesson we will practice our listening skill. So see you.